Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the CPU throttling test comparison between the Miui 11X device versus Poco F3 GG device after the recent Miui 12.5.7 update. So both phones did receive the similar kind of update friends, which is the Miui 12.5.7 update, and let's see what will be the CPU throttling test comparison. Dimensity 1200 chipset versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. And all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, and let me need to clip in airplane mode. So yes, so now let me need to enable the CPU throttling test application. So here's the CPU throttling application, and I'm trying to use the exactly same settings, 100 threads and 15 minutes. Always I'll try to follow this kind of same results only, same testings. Let's go and let's start the test at same time. 1 2 3, the test has been started. Let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of scores regarding the CPU throttling. And temperatures, both phones exactly same. Okay, exactly same, 26 degrees Celsius in the starting of the testing. So Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200. After the recent Miui update, this is what we'll try to exactly get the results. What's going on? How is the graph? Is it kind of consistent or not? These are the few details which I'll try to concentrate in this video. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, the CPU throttling reached up to 7 minutes of time, and let's check the temperatures: 34.6 degrees Celsius and 36.4 degrees Celsius. So slightly 2 degrees higher in the Miui 11X device than the Poco F3 GT, as you can clearly see when comparing side by side. So both phones 34 degrees versus 36 degrees Celsius, and you can look at the graph as well, what is happening with the throttling effect. And even the Miui 11X device started to throttle a little bit more, as you can see clearly at the right now it's happening. And Poco F3 GT also did throttle a little bit kind of here in this location, red color indication. Yes, both phones, they do have the throttling effect because of the Miui. So Miui is the one which is a kind of thing which makes this kind of throttling happening. So I'm gonna be back after some time just to check what's going on with the temperatures. So right now, Miui 11X has got higher temperatures than the Poco F3 GT. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to end of the test results, and now we'll be able to see exactly what's happening. So 14 minutes, 25 seconds, and 14 minutes and 30 seconds. So clearly you can see the graph, it's not that consistent. Even the Poco F3 GT is also not that consistent overall between these two phones. And anyway, let's check the temperatures: 35.6 degrees Celsius and 37.2 degrees Celsius. The Miui 11X device has got slightly 2 degrees higher than the Poco F3 GT. So 37 degrees and 35 degrees regarding the temperatures wise. So that's what we did get to know. And right now we'll be able to see, friends, what's happening exactly. After a few seconds, we'll try to look at the results, final score between these two phones. And finally, we got the test results, and the CPU total up to 82% in the Miui 11X device and 75% in the Poco F3 GT. And you got the high scores: 331, 339 versus 331, 286 is the average, 3 lakhs is the average, minimum is 248, 235. So overall, if you try to look at the score, the Miui 11X seems to be slightly kind of better than the Poco F3 GT, a little bit. If you try to look at the overall scores and performance, comparing both phones side by side, as you can clearly see, friends, not bad. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the overall scores. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.